Wagon time again here at Unique Specialty Classics. 1956 Buick Special Estate Wagon. Model 49 on the data tag is going to be what distinguishes that and confirms that it indeed is the model of this. Of course, the Special would have the 3 holes. 322 Fireball V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with the Dynaflow automatic transmission. Also nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, and somebody has also added AC to this car. AC does blow cold. Check that out in a little bit when we get around to the interior and start it up, let you hear it run. Now, if you want to see the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Car originated off of the West Coast, California to be exact. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Wagons have really gained in popularity over the last few years. If you've watched the market on these at all. Fun cars. Take a look at the front chrome, bright work on this one. It's right up in the center of the Buicks, the Tri-5 Buicks of the year. 56 Buick Special. Take a look up and down the side of this car. Now, from what I can tell, it has had a repaint / color change. I believe this would have originally been a Castle Gray and Dover White, where now it's more of a Seminole Red and Dover White 3-way combination. We have the Seminole Red on top, then Dover White, and then red on the bottom, where I believe the gray was in the red spot. You can check that out on the data tag. That's kind of what I came up with, and it appears that it would have been an original interior of ivory and white, so that's still very similar as far as the color goes. Little bit of kind of some little bit of dings on that bright work right there, but not bad. And I have that in the pictures. You can see a close-up of it too. I mean, this car taken to any of your local cruise-in, roll-in shows, so don't turn some heads. You just don't see these wagons every day. So ivory and red interior. You can see the aftermarket AC controls there in the venting. And when we get in there, I'm going to explain a little bit more of that to you. Now, one of the things I found interesting on this car, first of all, let's go through this. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I'm going to show you something. I'm going to open this back up, which I found rather interesting. You see this in a lot of modern cars, but not so much on these classics. Look at the folding seat in the back. There was an option from Buick where you could get that split seat back, so you didn't have to fold the whole thing down. So you could still carry equipment, carry supplies, and still have somebody ride back there. So I thought that was rather interesting. You see that very common today, but back in '56, Buick had it on this wagon. So you could fold down one side, the other side, or both sides. And remember, all those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Go ahead and take a look up and down the driver's side here. Bright work, trim pieces. Show well. You are going to have a few imperfections, a little bit of a ding there, but again, not much. I'm being kind of fussy pointing that out. Again, remember the age of this car also, and how old that bright work is on there. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. We'll start it up, let you hear it run. Take a look underneath the hood. Check everything out here. Little aftermarket set of gauges down below, as you can see. This has a push button start added up here. FYI, so starting can be in neutral or park. Turn the key here to the left. Push the start button, fires right up. This set of little aftermarket gauge cluster does work underneath here. Alright. Well, aftermarket retro sound style radio, that does work. Again, here's your AC controls. And it also changes the actuator door, what have you, from down below to the vent to what would be your defrost up top. So all that is working. We're gonna go ahead and turn this on. You see this light come on. Hear the compressor kick on. Turn the fan up, and AC is working. You see the light on. And like I said, it does blow cold. You hear the compressor kick on and off. It doesn't take long to cool off in here either. So AC is working. I'm gonna click that off just for now. The radio does work. Let's go ahead and I can show you that too.
Lifestyle for him and for...
It's a working radio. Wipers, did not have the wipers working. FYI, could be a Rain-X type thing where you want to put Rain-X on there. That's what we see a lot of the hot rodders do, as opposed to having wipers so much. And how many times are you driving these out in the rain? Alright, slip around to the back of this. Again, that 322 Fireball V8. Smooth running engine. Let's go up, pop the hood, let's take a look how it looks underneath there. Check out that engine bay. If you pause this a second, I'll get it over.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, so we do have a pusher fan. Here in the front, as you can see, also have the puller. Regular fan coming off the engine. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC compressor added over here. 322 Fireball V8. Paired up with that Dynaco automatic transmission. Be a fun one to take out cruising, no doubt about that. And there's still pictures of all this, the data tag, the VIN plate. Check out all those still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.